Students, in our daily life, we use a large number of modern appliances like the television, computer, calculators, refrigerators, and these require electric current for their operation. So, we need constant sources of electricity to operate these appliances. Students, the device which produces electricity is called the source of electricity. There are three major sources of electricity, namely cell, photocell, and a dynamo or generator. Students, a cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electricity. Simple cells and dry cells are examples of cells. Simple cell. A simple cell consists of a glass vessel containing dilute sulfuric acid. Two plates of copper and zinc are dipped in the solution. The zinc plate acts as a negative electrode and the copper plate acts as a positive electrode. Students, as a copper wire connects the two electrodes to an electric bulb, the bulb begins to glow. We use dry cells in torchlight, radio, camera, and many toys. It is an improvement and modification of the simple cell. Students, dry cells do not contain any type of solution on it. So that's why it is called dry cell. If any solution were used in the dry cell, it would be difficult to carry it from one place to another. One end of dry cell is marked positive and the other end is marked negative. The top of the dry cell acts as a positive terminal and the container itself acts as a negative terminal. Students, in a dry cell, some chemicals are kept inside, which on using changes into electricity. Let us perform an activity. Students, take a dry cell. Two pieces about 25 cm long connecting wires and a torch bulb. Now observe the dry cell. Do you find the mark positive or plus at one end and negative or minus at the other end? Now, join the dry cell to torch bulbs using connecting wires as shown here in the figure. Does the bulb glow? These two cells, that is the simple cell and the dry cell, cannot be used for a long time period. When they are run down due to use, the cells have to be thrown away. These cells are also called primary cells. Students, a photocell is a device which converts light energy into electricity. Have you ever seen a solar calculator? When light falls on a photocell, electric current is produced. So, the electric current produced by a photocell depends on the sunlight and the special surface of exposure to the sunlight. A single photocell produces a very small quantity of electricity. So, in order to obtain a large amount of electricity, a number of photocells are joined in series. Students, a group of photocells joined in series is called solar panel. The use of these photocells has been very useful in remote and isolated places, where the supply of electricity is not available. Dynamo or generators are a bigger source of electricity. You might have seen a bicycle dynamo. Students, a dynamo or generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electricity. When a magnet is moved quickly in or out of a coil of wire, a current is found to flow in the wire. This principle is used to produce electricity from the generator or dynamo.